Did you know that one of Hollywood's hottest stars just went full pet play on national television to promote her own brand? Sydney Sweeney's return as Cassie Howard in Euphoria Season 3 is already breaking the internet, but not just for her acting chops. The premiere episode delivered a truly jaw-dropping scene with Jacob Elordi's Nate Jacobs that has everyone talking and scrambling for details. Our Queen Sydney wasn't just bringing the drama. She was slyly dropping a major fashion moment for her very own lingerie line, CERN, which she launched last winter. Fans are absolutely buzzing about the skin-bearing ensemble Cassie rocked, featuring a stunning CERN corset that Sydney herself previously confessed is her date night go-to, perfect for making those assets pop. But wait, there's more. The outfit was part of a wild dog cosplay, with Cassie donning a collar, leash, and even lapping water to go viral for a brand deal. This insane scene perfectly blends high fashion, character eccentricity, and a brilliant marketing move, cementing Sweeney's status as a boss babe on and off screen. It's a true behind-the-scenes look at how celebrities are intertwining their personal brands with their most iconic roles, sparking massive social media buzz and leaving fans absolutely stunned. For more exclusive celebrity deep dives and fashion breakdowns, make sure to hit that subscribe button.
From Hollywood to the world, we've got you covered. Subscribe for more.